Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 Backoffice Mobile App or the Magento 2 Admin Mobile App. Now this particular app is a native mobile app for both the Android and the iOS devices, and today we'll be checking out the Android end. Now this particular mobile app allows the Magento 2 web store admin to manage almost all the backend activities on the go using their mobile device. Now, right now you can see that I've already installed the Magento admin app from the Google Play Store on my mobile device, and today we'll be going through the backend configurations and the options that the admin gets within the Magento 2 admin mobile app itself. But before we proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now I'll be tapping on the particular app, and here you can see that we have the splash screen and then the particular section to log into the admin backend panel. Now what the admin needs to do is he needs to enter his username and the password and tap on the sign in button thereafter. Now after sign in, you'll be seeing the dashboard as you can see here, and here you have the lifetime sales, the average orders, last search terms, top search terms, and at the bottom we have the best sellers, most viewed products, and the new customers as well. Now here you can also filter out the graph using the last 24 hours, last 7 days, current month, Y2D and 2Y2D as well. And the same goes for the amount as well if you go for the amount there. Now coming to the side panel, here you can see that we have the dashboard at the very first, then we have the sales. Now under the sales we have order, invoices, shipments, credit memos. Under the marketing section we have catalog price rule, cart price rule, search terms, search synonyms, all reviews, pending reviews, and one option for the settings here for the account information of the admin himself. Now let's go back and let's go through these sections one by one. The very first one that we have under the sales is the orders section. Now under the orders section, we'll be able to see a complete list of orders that have been placed within the store with different what we say as the statuses for each of the orders there. So here you can see that we have some of them are having the pending order, some are under the complete, some are closed. The closed ones are the ones for which we have generated the credit memo. The green ones are ones for which we have generated the invoice and the shipment, and for the ones that are showing in the orange are the pending orders there. Now from here on the top right hand corner you can see that we have two options. One is the search option to search the orders. So here from here you can search the orders. Then the second option that we have is to filter out the orders. So you can filter out the orders using the purchase date, starting date and the end date, the grand total base from and to values. So you have to enter these values here, the grand total purchase from and to values, the ID, bill to name, ship to name. You can also choose the status of the orders and then tap on the apply button to apply the filter there so as to filter out the orders there. Now for any of the orders you can change the status, generate the invoice and the shipments or the credit memos, and add the what we say as the messages as well, or the comments for the order there. So for example, we have the order number 4. If I go to the order number 4, here we'll find the complete order details of the order there. If I go to the invoices, we can see the invoice that has been created for this. If I go to the credit memos, I can see the credit memo generated for this. If I go to the shipments, I can see the shipments. And under the comment history, we can see that we have the notes for this order as well as required there. Now let's go back. Now let me show you how we can generate the invoice and the shipment. So for that, for example, if I go to the order number 5, it's in the pending state right now. On the top right hand corner, I'll tap there on the vertical 3 dots and I'll get this particular options here where I can edit, cancel, send the email, hold, generate the invoice, shipment, and reorder this particular order there. To generate the invoice, I'll just tap on the invoice, and this would bring up the new invoice section as you can see with the details of the order there, the customer's billing shipping address, the payment method chosen by the customer, the shipping information. So here you can enter the comment for the invoice as well. For example, I'll set it as test comment, and now I'll just we can also email the copy of invoice to the customer if I check this particular option here. and then I'll tap here on the submit invoice button. Now this will generate the invoice for the order number 5. You can see that the invoice has been generated. Now from pending, it's gone to the processing mode. Now if I want, I can generate the shipping by tapping on the ship, and this will bring up the new shipment section. As you can see here, we can add a tracking number to this particular order and tap on the add button. And if you want, you can also add some comments for the shipping comments there. Otherwise, you can directly tap on the submit shipment button, and that would generate the shipment for this particular order there. So you can see that the shipment has been created. So that's how you can do this. And if you want, you can also generate the credit memo by tapping on the credit memo there. Now let's go back. So here you can see the order number 5 is now complete. If I go to the order number 5 now, I have the information of the order there. I have the invoice. I haven't generated any credit memos. Here's the shipment. Here's the comment history as well. Now apart from that, if I go back to the sales section, here I can see the invoices section. If I go to the invoices, here we will find the complete list of invoices that we have created. And here's the invoice number 5 that we just created. On the top end, we have the option to search the invoices, filter out these invoices using the invoice date, order date, grand total purchased, and the rest of the fields have to be entered there. And then you can tap on the apply button to apply the respective filter for the invoice that you want to filter out. Now under the sales, then we have the shipments. Here you will find the complete list of shipments. The same goes for this particular section as well. Now apart from this, if I take you back to the sales and invoices, for a particular invoice that you have generated, you can open that up as well, and you can send a mail by tapping here at the top end to the customer, or you can print the shipment or the invoice as well by tapping on the print icon at the top. The same goes for the sales. And then if I go to the shipments, here for the shipment that I've generated, for example for number 4, I can open that up. I can send an email to the customer there, or I can print the shipment as well by tapping on the print shipment icon. Now coming to the credit memos, here we will find the complete list of credit memos, and here as well you can search the credit memos, filter out the credit memos, and you can open any credit memo, and you can print the credit memo as well as required. Now coming to the marketing section, here we have the catalog price rule, cart price rule, search terms, search synonyms, all reviews and pending reviews. Now coming to the catalog price rules, here you'll find the complete list of catalog price rules that you have already created. You can add a new catalog price rule as well by tapping on the new button at the bottom right hand corner. You can update and apply the catalog price rules by tapping this particular option here that I'm showing you on the top right hand corner. So if I tap on that, you'll see that the updated rules have been applied. We have the option to filter the catalog price rules by using the ID, the rule name, the start to values, end from end to values, the status and the website. Let's go back. To add a new catalog price rule, you can tap on the new button and the create new price rule section comes up, as you can see. And here you can give the rule name, the description, choose the website, choose the customer groups for which this would be applicable, set up the conditions, and you can choose the actions thereafter to apply on the catalog price rule that you're going to create. Now you can also edit any of the created catalog price rules by tapping on any of the catalog price rules there. So for example, I tapped on the discount 50, so here's the particular one. So here I can just make the changes here, and accordingly thereafter I can save that up as well. And from this section as well, we can delete any of the created catalog price rules by tapping on the delete icon at the top right hand corner there, as you can see. And to save, we can tap on the save button at the bottom, or we can reset the values as well by tapping the reset option there. So this was the catalog price rule under the marketing. Then we have the cart price rule. The same goes for the cart price rules as well. We have the complete list of cart price rules. If I want, I can edit any of the cart price rules by tapping on that. And from here we can delete the cart price rule by tapping on the delete button, or if I want, I can make the changes, and after making the changes I can save the same. And here you can set up the conditions, and then the actions as per your own requirement there for the cart price rule. So that's how easily the admin is able to make use of the Magento 2 admin mobile app or the Magento 2 Backoffice mobile app, basically to what we say as to manage almost all the backend activities on the go using their mobile device. To add a new price rule, cart price rule, you can tap here on the add new button, and the particular section would be popped up, as you can see. And here you can fill up the details, and at the last you can tap on the save button to save the cart price rule. Now coming to the marketing section, then if I go to the search terms, here we'll be able to find the search terms that have been searched by the customers at the storefront. As you can see, from here we can delete them, we can filter them, delete them, we can filter them out, or we can add new search terms as well by tapping on the add new button at the bottom. Then coming to the search synonyms, here we'll be able to see the search synonyms. Similarly, we can delete them, we can filter them out. Then we have all reviews. Now all of the reviews that the customers have placed for the products would be listed out here, and from here you can manage them. Manage means you can approve, disapprove them as required. So for example, we have not approved awesome review by the customer for the overnight duffel bag. So from the top right hand corner, I'll tap this option and I can change the status to approved, pending, or not approved. For example, it was not approved, let's make it as approved, and I'll tap OK. And this would, as you can see, that the record has been approved. Now the awesome comment or the review has been approved by the admin there. Here you can filter out the reviews as well by entering the respective details here and tapping on the apply button. Or you can delete any of the ones by selecting one and tapping on the delete button, and that would delete the particular record. As you can see, the record has been deleted. Now under the marketing, we have the pending reviews. So under the pending reviews, we will find the complete list of reviews that are still pending, and from here you can approve, disapprove, approve, make it as pending, or set it as not approved as well. So if I choose it as approved, I can make it as approved by tapping on the OK button thereafter. So you can see that the pending review has been approved now. Now after this marketing section, we have the settings section. Now under the settings section, the admin would be able to change his username, first name, last name. If he wants, he can reset his or set up his new password by entering the new password, confirming the new password. But he'll have to enter his current password to save the changes there, and then he'll have to tap on the save button. And lastly, we have the sign out option that basically signs you out of the admin backend panel there for your Magento 2 web store. So yes, that was much about the Magento 2 Backoffice mobile application. That's a native mobile application for both the Android and the iOS devices, and today we just saw the Android end. And this mobile app basically allows the Magento 2 web store admin to manage almost all of the backend activities on the go using their mobile devices. So yes, that was much about the video tutorial today, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of this particular mobile application. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.udesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And please do remember to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.